In previous video, I had discussed two questions, first and second, and third question is on the based of only first question. So you can solve it easily, I hope so. Now, in further video, I want to discuss about very short answer type questions, and question number is 4. Now, we read first of all our question. Find the greatest number which divides 260, 1314 and 1331 and leaves remainder 5 in each case. This question you can find in your book as we have sent in Telegram. Now, once again, understand this question. Find the greatest number means we have to find greatest number means SCF. But what is the condition here? Condition is that these numbers leave remainder 5 in each case. Means in all numbers, whether it is 260, 1314 or 1331, means you have to find 5 means after leaving means remainder should be 5. First of all, how can we solve? See here. Solution. Required numbers after leaving remainder 5 in each case. First of all, we have to subtract that 5 numbers, which should be always remainder in all cases. First of all, we subtract 5 marks from 260. 260 minus 5 is equal to 255. First number means our required number is 255. In second portion, that is 1314 minus 5, we get 1309. In third terms, we see here the third number is 1331. We should also subtract here 5. Then we get 1326. Means our new numbers are 255, 1309 and 1326. Why we got it? Because question is said here that 5 remainder should be always in each case. So, first of all, we have to subtract this 5 from all given numbers. Now, we have to find greatest number means SCF as we discussed. So, here for getting greatest number, we have to find SCF of these numbers. As I had discussed yesterday that when 3 numbers are given like 255, 1309, 1326. So in this case, we have to select first and second number first of all. Means we have to solve it by using 2 steps. So we select here first step and got here SCF of 255 and 1309 by using Euclid division algorithm as we had discussed yesterday. Now, what is Euclid's division algorithm method? This is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is formula given by Euclid. So this is called Euclid's division algorithm as we had discussed yesterday. Now, using this formula, we try to get SCF of 255 and 1309. So here 1000, you can write here also 1309 is greater than 255. It is not necessary to write always, but I wrote here for your well knowledge that you can solve it easily. Greater number always is dividend and smaller is used as divisor. So here dividend is 1309 and divisor is 255. But what is quotient? I had solved here. See, 255 5 jar 1275 So we get here remainder 35. So we can put these values in our formula. Here divisor is always 255 already given. Now quotient is 5 and remainder is 34. Now in second step, as Euclid's division method said here, in second step we have to write here divisor as dividend. This divisor will be dividend in second step. Now 255 is equal to 34 means what is remainder? Remainder is 34. So we have to select here as divisor. It is divisor here. 34 into 7 means when we divide it, 255 is divided by 34, we get quotient 7. So we put here value 7. After that, we get here 17 as remainder. So we have to put the value 17 in the place of remainder. Now again in third step, as I already told, the divisor is here dividend again. 34 was here divisor, so now it becomes dividend. Dividend is equal to divisor. Now second divisor is what is remainder? Remainder is here 17, so we have to put as divisor. So 17 is divisor and quotient we have to divide it first of all. 17 is divisor and 34 is dividend because previous divisor is changed into dividend. So 17 to 34, quotient we get quotient 2 and remainder will be 0. So we put value 0 as remainder. Now when we get the value of remainder 0, then divisor is always known as SCF, means highest common factor. So in this way we can find easily the SCF of 255 and 1309 is 17. It's clear? Now in second step, because we have to be given 3 numbers, first and second is short but third number is remaining. So taking this SCF as first number, we can discuss about SCF of this number and third number. So now in second step, SCF of 17 and 1326 by using Euclid division algorithm method means in each case, in each question, we have to discuss this formula, means Euclid's division algorithm. Now again we can write formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now same way as we have discussed in first step, same as in second step. See here, 1326 is greater than 17. So greater number always is dividend. We have to write here 1326 as dividend is equal to, now divisor is always a smaller number, 17 is smaller, so it is divisor into what should be quotient? We can divide here as we know already. 17 7 is 119, so we get here 12 minus 9 3 and 2 minus 1 1 and get here 6. Now it is 136. 17 8 is 136 means 0. Means quotient will be our quotient is 78 and remainder will be 0. Now here you can get remainder is 0. It means divisor will be our SCF. So here 17 and 1326, the SCF of these numbers is 17. So now see our question, find the greatest number. So now greatest number means SCF. So our greatest number, required greatest number is 17.